want to say something that I'm very happy with how everything turned out to be, because throughout the production and the making of the bricks in the project, we never tested the entire structure assembly. And when we came to La Biennale to install and set it up, it really came together almost effortlessly because of all the design detailing behind the work. A claim is that computation and robots make work easier or humanless or laborless, but that's not true. There's always labor in machine production. And I really wanted this work to speak about the imperfections. And I think what we created at the Biennale is really depicting human ingenuity and through the labor in a computation, machine labor hybrids together. So the work is about the rituals of the lab, essentially. How the lab can be a place with ceremonies of making. Afterlife of this installation is so simple. All the bricks can go back to land. They're nutritional soil and fibers and materials that are very nutritional for soil. And then bamboo and wood that is very minimal. Everything is dry, stacked and connected. So the disassembly should be very, very simple. And I think that was also a part of the circularity manifesto that was desired by La Biennale curators team that I think is interesting. And I feel we really approached that with a lot of dedication.